what I'm going to do is make a vibrator that vibrates parts. And I want to take this motor, and when I take it apart, I'm going to put these sides into the vibrator, and I'm going to put every piece, all the metal pieces, into the vibrator and clean off all the stuff. You put sand in it. And this thing here, I bought this at a yard sale for $3, and it works great. So what I'm going to do is, I seen a guy on YouTube do this, so I'm going to do it too and see how it works. I want to see actually how good it cleans is the main thing. Now what I'm going to do is glue this onto the bottom here, and I got to take the paper off, and I'm going to glue it onto the bottom using hot glue. Well, here's the bottom with the pad exposed, and I'm going to clean it off with some carb cleaner. And scrub it. Whoop. Need a good clean surface. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to clean this off with carb cleaner. Scrub it all off. This is where you need 3 hands, a camera hand. Okay, here comes the hot glue. Okay, I don't have enough hot glue, and I don't have a hot glue gun for this little one, so I'm going to do something different. Always have to do something different. So I have the hot glue sitting there, and the last piece of the hot glue stick that I have. So I'm going to put the heat gun to it. See, it's getting really nice and hot and flowing. Okay, there we go. Stick it on there. Okay, let it harden. I got the pressure down. Nice. And we're going to see how it works. Alright, switch on. Oh man, that thing goes like a mad dog. That's the fastest sander I've ever seen. Oh man, is that something else. Oh man, woo. I'm excited. Heck, I wasn't strong enough to pick that up. That's 50 pounds. I could pick it up a tiny bit, but that was it. I had to drag it. Man, am I breathing hard. I had to drag it all with the truck. Or from the truck. Okay, I guess this is the way I'm going to have to do it. Four. There's a lot of fill there. 5 scoops. Looks more than 5 scoops. Look at that. Sure looks like a lot more than 5 scoops. But okay. It's a little bit wet too. Yeah, it's damp. And that plastic bag came from Walmart. It's wet. 50 pounds of wet sand is what it was. Okay, here we go. Here's one part. I'll look around for... Let's see what it does to this pulley. First I want to see if the pulley fits on this shaft, which it doesn't. Too big. But I'm going to put that in there. We're going to test it and see what happens. Okay, here we go. Turn it on. Take a month for this to clean anything. We'll see.